All right, so in this Google Business Profile tip video, we are going to go over how to respond to your reviews on your laptop or desktop. The mobile version of this will be in the description around this page, and how to do it both the process and then also some tips on how to respond to them in the way that you write your responses. Okay, so first off, we're going to open up a new tab, search your business's name. Now you'll notice if you have any unresponded reviews, it's going to have a little alert right here and you can just click. So this business that we're using as an example has all the reviews responded. But if you're not sure, click your read reviews tab and you're going to be able to filter. So you're going to be able to filter by replied and unreplied. So when you click on replied, if you have any that have not been replied to, you will be able to do so right here. Here's some quick tips. So replying to a positive review, short and simple, I like to actually mention something about what was done. Maybe not with any review, but sometimes that you can actually, you can actually point out the job that was done and kind of make it unique. Now, the other thing I want to talk about really quick is right now, everyone's using AI to respond to reviews, and as an agency, we have some set up to do that too. But what I have done, this is my son's business, is I'm thinking that, if we can be genuine, especially now, because pretty soon every response that we see on Google reviews is going to be AI. I think it's a good time to not use AI if you can. And even if there's some misspellings, if your grammar's not 100% correct, I still think that's going to connect better with customers in the future as everything becomes AI. Now, how to respond to negative reviews. So responding to negative reviews could be a whole video by itself, right? But one of the best things to do is you just acknowledge the person's pain, you acknowledge the person's disappointment, and then you either add a phone number, we would love to talk about this further or resolve this issue, and here is our number, and try to get it resolved that way. It's always better to try to resolve a negative review, but sometimes it's always worth fighting the review too. And there's ways of doing that, and you can fight the review. So in the next video, I'm going to show how to report fake reviews or fight reviews that were maybe unearned. And again, it's hard to get a Google review removed, but we've done it. I say probably about 10-15% of the time we're able to get a review removed from Google. So watch the next video for that. Okay, stay tuned for the next Google Business Profile tip.